Unveiling South Asia's hidden gem, Nepal, a canvas painted with nature's finest hues. Sky-kissing peaks, home to the iconic Mount Everest, create a mesmerizing skyline, luring adventurers and wanderers from every corner. Yet the charm of Nepal doesn't end with its mountains. Imagine lush valleys, waterfalls cascading with a melody of their own, and a wildlife as diverse as it can be, providing a haven for those with a heart for nature. Picture the serene lakes of Pokhara, the dense wilderness of Chitwan. Nepal's rich biodiversity is a spectacle of constant surprise. Amidst the serene landscapes, the spirit of Nepal's natural wonders narrates tales of tranquility, adventure, and spiritual awakening.